Hello, welcome to our favorite hair YouTube channel. And this one I'm showing is our Burmese curly human hair, and it's the lace frontals 3x6 inches. This is the big size lace frontal closure, and it's the 16 inches. And this one is our deep wave hair. Our deep wave hair is the 100% human hair, and it's the collect from the younger from one donor. And our hair wave is full and thickness hair end. Now let's see the frontal closure as well. This one is the 13x6 inches lace frontal closure, and showing is the 16 inches. This hair is very beautiful.